Okay, very good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is triangles. As usual, before I start the chapter, let us have a discussion about the syllabus, that is the content which we have to study in this particular chapter. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Beta, write down the syllabus first. I'll give you all the contents that I will teach in this one. Later we'll discuss one by one. Okay. Yeah. The first point is concept of similarity. Concept of similarity. It is in general concept. Then similarity of two triangles, which is specific only to the triangles. Here, definition and illustration. Then comes problems, exercise 6.1, which is a theoretical exercise based on the above two concepts. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then comes basic proportionality theorem, which in short we call it as BPT, stands for basic proportionality theorem. It is also called as Thales theorem. What we call, beta?
Thales theorem, sir.
Yeah. Then comes converse of BPT, that is the reverse statement of basic proportionality theorem. Then corollary of basic proportionality theorem. Then problems, exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. Students, copy till here. I will continue further fast. Beta, I repeat, anybody having issues, you can put a message to me in the chat box. I will read your message and I'll talk to you people. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Beta, write down fast. Okay. Anusha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Beta, read out the syllabus, whatever I have written, starting with the title. Quick.
Yes, sir. Triangles. Syllabus. Concept of similarity. General. Similarity of two triangles. Definition and illustration. Problems. Exercise 6.1. Basic proportionality theorem. BPT. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Corollary of basic proportionality theorem. Problems. Exercise 6.2.
Very good, beta. Students, these are the first two parts of the syllabus. First part talk about the general definition of similarity and specific definition of similarity of the two triangles. Based on that, one small exercise which is like a warm-up kind of things for you people. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then beta, second part is dealing with basic proportionality theorem, which is in short called as BPT. It is also known as Thales theorem. The reason, the mathematician Thales has proved this particular fundamental statement, which is essential for the similarity of triangles. Is that clear, beta? Once you
Yes,
study the statement, you have to go for its converse, and there is one corollary based on the BPT which will be taught to you people in detail. Once you study all this, you are supposed to solve the problems which are the exercise 6.2. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Beta, shall I erase?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, beta. Let us continue the further discussion on the syllabus. Write down, beta. This part is the central part of the syllabus. Write down properly. Criteria for similarity of two triangles. Two triangles. But in this, there are three criterion which we have to study in detail. Number one, angle, angle, angle rule. In short, we call it as AAA rule. Then the second one, side, side, side rule. In short, we call it as SSS rule. Then number three, side, angle, side rule. In short, we call it as SAS rule. Then we have to deal with theorem 1, the first theorem in this particular chapter, which is nothing but derivation of AAA rule. What is the meaning? You will come to know here. Its derivation has to be done here. Then you are supposed to solve the problems. Exercise 6.3. Beta Spurti Hiremat, can you hear me? Spurti. Okay, Spurti Patil, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Beta, read out the things quick from here.
Criteria for similarity of two triangles. First one, angle, angle, angle rule. AAA. Second one, side, side, side rule. SSS. Third one, side, angle, side rule. SAS. Theorem 1, AAA rule. Problems exercise 6.3.
Very good. Beta, this is the third part of the syllabus for the chapter triangles. Here, look at the heading. Criteria for similarity of two triangles. It is exactly same as criteria for the congruency of two triangles which you have studied in the last year, beta. If you recall yourself, there were 4 rules for the congruency of triangles. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Bhumika,
Sir.
can you hear me, beta? Bhumika. Okay, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir.
Beta, can you tell me what are the 4 rules that you have studied related to congruency?
SSS rule, SSS rule, ASA rule, RHS rule, SS.
A mixture kind of things, beta. First one, SSS rule. Then SAS rule. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
Yes, sir.
ASA rule and finally RHS rule. There were 4 criteria for judging the congruency, beta. In the same manner, this year you are going to deal with 3 criteria, 3 fundamental rules to judge the similarity of two triangles. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Out of 3, 1 you have to derive, state and prove it. That is nothing but the first theorem. Based on this aspect, you will be dealing with the exercise 6.3. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me move further now. The fourth aspect of the syllabus, that is areas of two similar triangles. Areas of two similar triangles, which is nothing but theorem number 2 for your syllabus. Based on this, you need to solve the problems. Nothing but exercise 6.4 beta.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
6.4.
This is the fourth part of the syllabus. Then the final part of the syllabus, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, which is nothing but theorem number 3 in this chapter. Theorem 3. Its converse also has to be dealt. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Then the problems, the last exercise of this chapter, that is exercise number 6.5. Students, copy fast. Quick. Akshata, am I audible?
Sir.
Beta, will you read the syllabus quick right from here?
Yes, sir. Areas of
Yeah.
two similar triangles. Theorem 2. Problems. Exercise 6.4. Pythagoras theorem. Theorem 3. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Problems. Exercise 6.5.
Very good, beta. All of you write down, students, quick, so that I can talk a little bit about the content and I'll proceed with the main syllabus. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I hope you people have written, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Students,
Sir.
look at the fourth part. It is nothing but areas of two similar triangles. What does it mean? Once we study the definition and the illustration for the similarity of triangles, once we study the criteria for judging the similarity of triangles, we will be thorough with the concept so that we can start talking about the areas of two similar triangles. What is the relation between the areas of two similar triangles will be dealt in the theorem 2. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now coming to the last Pythagoras theorem, there is no need of giving any explanation. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As I discussed earlier, beta, he is the great person troubling each and every individual associated with mathematics right from the beginning. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
He
sir.
always peep his nose in each and every concept. You go to quadratic equation, you will find Pythagoras theorem. You go to coordinate geometry, you will find Pythagoras theorem. Go to trigonometry, he will be present there. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
And the chapter name is, do you feel he will be out of the picture?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
He says, in the other area which are not related to me, there only I will be present. This is my area. I have to be there. Got the concept, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is a new thing? You have to derive whatever the statement you are knowing. The square on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the remaining two sides. You need to prove it using the logical steps of mathematics. That is what you have to do. Then converse, the reverse of Pythagoras statement is what? That you have to learn. And finally, you have to solve the problems based on these aspects. Is it clear to everyone, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So look at the syllabus, beta. There are mainly 5 parts in it. The first part talk about general things. what is similarity in general in day-to-day life. Then specific similarity of triangles means what. Then comes the second part, which is a background, a basic, a foundation kind of things done by Mr. Thales. He proposed a particular statement connected with one or the other issues that is related to triangle. He called it as basic proportionality theorem. Its converse is its BPT. I have to discuss with you people. Is that clear?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Coming to the third part, criteria, the general rules which are meant for deciding the similarity of two triangles. There are three rules: AAA, SSS, and then SAS. What are the meaning? We will discuss in detail when I'll come to that particular point. Is that clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Out of three, we have to derive the first one, AAA rule. That is nothing but the theorem 1 in this particular chapter. Then comes the fourth part of the syllabus, that is areas of two triangles. Just now I explained it, as well as the Pythagoras theorem, which is the last part, the fifth part of the syllabus. Students, I hope the syllabus is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
shall we start the discussion on the first aspect, that is similarity in general? Shall we begin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, madam. So always the first question will be to you people. Beta, in day-to-day life, people will be using the word similar, similarity many times. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can anybody tell, beta, according to you, what do you mean by similarity? You can raise the hands in the chat box like this. Quick.
Sir, there is no
Beta,
option for raise answer.
beta, there is a option. There are many students who has done it in Raibag. Okay, you can say yes, sir. I will call your name. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Apurva.
Yes, sir.
Apurva. Can
Looking
you tell,
alike.
beta, what is it? Yeah, beta.
Looking alike.
Looking alike. Okay, can you elaborate a little bit? Any example? Okay, let me go to Spurti Patil. Beta, what is your idea about similarity?
Sir, like someone will be telling like the daughter is similar to her father or mother.
Very good, beta. Akshata, what is your answer?
Yes, same, sir.
Same, sir. Same, sir. If I ask everyone, same, sir. Okay, nothing to worry. But in general, whatever the earlier student Apurva said, looking alike, somewhat it gives the meaning of similarity. Exactly the same kind of gesture, exactly the same kind of visibility will be there somewhere. We call it as a similarity in general. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, examples, some of you said father with a son, maybe mother with the daughter. Sridevi, you know, a great famous actress. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of her daughter?
Janvi Kapoor.
Janvi Kapoor.
Janvi Kapoor. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is a bit of similarity in the facial expressions. Am I right, beta? And nowadays, in the politics, you heard about Priyanka Gandhi, who is somewhat similar, having the similar face to the great Indira Gandhi. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
There are some controversies also that Priyanka Gandhi went through the nose cosmetic surgery so that her face should look exactly like Indira Gandhi. And am I right, beta? Students,
Yes,
We
sir.
don't know sure.
Don't know, sir.
you did not hear this one, beta, in the television. You did not read it in the newspaper and all, beta.
No,
No, sir.
Whatever.
sir.
I too heard somewhere. I too heard somewhere about such things. Leave. Our work is what? Similarity means what? But I'll give one best example in the day-to-day life. Just observe it. Just think about it. Beta, you have seen the Taj Mahal. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Sir, last time also you gave the same example, sir.
When beta?
While teaching
In classes
grammar,
only,
sir.
sir.
I'm not able to hear beta.
Ninth classes, sir.
Ninth standard. Okay, fine, fine. Taj Mahal. Anyhow, some of you may say, sir, sorry, I did not go to Agra to see it, but at least in the movies, in the poster, picture, and all you have seen, right, beta?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Beta, there will be some models available as showpieces, which we'll keep oftenly in our house, which is the mini model of the Taj Mahal. Am I right, beta?
Sir, mini
Yes,
Taj
sir.
Mahal is
Yes, sir.
Mini Taj Mahal is there in Aurangabad, sir.
Whatever, beta. Mini, okay. We will go for that Aurangabad mini Taj Mahal. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
What I mean to say, the mini model which we will use in the showcase, that is, and the original building of Taj Mahal, beta, they are similar. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
The reason, if I ask, you will tell,
Yes,
these
sir.
are looking exactly same, alike. Am I right? Okay.
Yes,
This is
sir.
one
Yes.
example. Let us go for a ball, a cricket ball, and a volleyball. Beta, these are similar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
They are
Yes, sir.
similar in
Students, I
shape,
gave,
sir.
yeah, beta, I gave two examples. One, the mini model of a building and the original building. It is not like that only Taj Mahal, beta. You go to any building, oftenly, beta, the construction work will be going on. The apartment, there will be a poster, beta, the blueprint, a mini sketch of the building, and exactly in the same manner the building will be drawn. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
That is
sir.
one example.
Yes, sir.
Then cricket ball and the volleyball, second example. Beta, can anybody else will give you some more examples one by one? You can raise the
The
hands like
Paris
this,
model.
one by one. Riddhi, any example?
Sir, different sizes of bangles, sir.
Yeah, very good, beta. Bangle, a small chotu bangle and one motu bangle. Very good. Yeah,
Sir, our
Sinchana.
Earth and model of Earth, that is globe
Yeah,
model,
beta.
sir.
The globe which we will use in SST for our teaching and learning purpose, and exactly the original Earth. Very good, beta. Nice. Anybody else?
The cell phone,
Smartphones,
sir.
sir.
Charita,
Smartphones, sir.
1 minute.
Sir,
Charita,
the cell phones are smartphones.
cell phone.
Sir, cell phones.
Beta, give exactly the example. Cell phone means there are many cell phones, beta.
Sir, like buttons one, sir. Both they'll be similar, no, sir.
Fine, beta. In market, there are many smartphones, maybe the other phones, mobile phones are available, which are similar. Am I right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
this is more than enough. Let me discuss the mathematical concept associated here. Beta, whenever you take the mini model and the original building, a cricket ball and a volleyball, these were sufficient at present. Okay, you will see that the shape of the objects are exactly same. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The sizes are different. One is Chota Chetan, one is Mota Chetan. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
So, in general, the two figures, don't write, two figures having same shape, but different sizes are called as similar figures. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I repeat the general definition. The two objects or figures having the same shape but differ in their sizes are called as similar figures. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. Similar figures I'm talking in the day-to-day life. It may be anything, beta. You have seen the butterflies, beta? The small butterfly and the bigger butterfly. You can see the similarity
Yes,
over there. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us write on the side heading. Leave some space, beta. After the syllabus, write the side heading. Concept of similarity. Concept of similarity. Beta, write down fast. Make a para. Two or more objects. In the bracket figures, you can use anything, but two or more objects having same shape but different sizes are called as similar objects or similar figures. Right below example. Some examples. Number 1, mini model of a building and original building. This is first example, beta. The second one, cricket ball and volleyball. Second example. Students, copy fast. Okay, Apurva, read the sentence written on the board. Okay, Riddhi, you read the sentence, beta.
Yes, sir. Concept of similarity. Two or more objects, bracket figures, having same shape but different sizes are called as similar objects or similar figure. Example, mini model of a building or original building, cricket ball and volleyball.
Yeah, beta. Let me write few more examples. Example number 3. 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. Beta, but provided the flat one, flat of 5 and flat of 10 rupee. Clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. One more, let me quote. Stamp size photo and size photo. Passport size photo. Beta, provided the condition of the same person clicked at the same time with the same dressing. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You cannot take the stamp size photo of Charita and passport size of Bhagyashree. You cannot say that they are similar. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
And one more, Bhagyashree's photos when she was in 5th standard and Bhagyashree's photos after 25-30 years. There may be resemblance, but the shapes will be changed, beta. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So we cannot say exactly the similar according to the mathematical concepts. Clear, beta? Okay. Is
Yes,
there
sir.
any doubt, beta? Is there any doubt regarding the concept in general?
No, sir.
Okay, beta.
No,
This is
sir.
similarity in general. Just I started the syllabus of triangles today. In the next class, today evening, I'll be discussing the specific a concept, that is similarity of two triangles. When two triangles will be called as similar. But just for your understanding, I'll tell a little bit, not the exact concept. You take one triangle in this manner, the other triangle in this manner. The concept remains same. Chotu, motu, shapes are same, the sizes are different. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This general equal to all the types of figures that we draw in geometry. It may be a square, it may be a pentagon, it may be a hexagon, it may be circles. Everywhere shapes are exactly same, but the sizes are different. They will be called as similar figures. Got the concept?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But today, Unique Beta, we will go into the deeper aspect of the two triangles, just like what we have done for the congruency of two triangles. Is that clear, Beta?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Anyhow, need not to worry. We will continue in the evening exactly at 6:40 again in the Teachment app. Is that clear to everyone, Beta?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
With this, I'm ending the session, Beta. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody having any questions?
no, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
Beta.
No,
Fine.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye,
you,
Beta.
sir.
Welcome.